Hey there, friend. Today on MacTestZone, we're looking at a piece of kit that proves you don't need a massive brick to get serious charging speeds. We've got the brand new INIU P41L, a 10,000 milliamp power bank that's surprisingly compact but packs a beautiful 45 watt output. Whether you're trying to fast charge the new iPhone 17, keeping up with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, or even giving a lifeline to the new MacBook Neo, this little pocket rocket is designed to handle it all. If you're looking to pick one of these up for your own tech bag, you can use discount code TESTZONE20 at checkout for 20% off your order. I've left links in the description down below. Let's get into it.
Thank you so much, INIU, for sending over this P41L. This is a 45 watt, 10,000 milliamp power bank. And I can tell you from my experience over the last several months using INIU products, this should be something special. I'm really looking forward to cracking into this to see what they have to offer today. Now, one thing to be sure, INIU offers amazing support on their products. You get a 3-year warranty. They're proud enough to put that right on the front of the box. So keep that in mind. I mean, I haven't had any problems. I've got, I think, about 6 of their power banks, and they've all been excellent. But if you want to check out the user manual, see some of the details here, just pause the video, get yourself a little bit of extra technical information. But let's have a look and see what's inside the box here. This is a nice little form factor before I even take it out of the package. Ooh. Okay, they've really upgraded this cable. Nice little braided feeling. There we go. There we go. Ooh, okay. I love how they use this little paw. It's like a power indicator. If I push the button, you can see it's about half charged or maybe slightly more. Now, I'm not going to say that the P41L isn't a fantastic name. What about the Power Paw 10,000 or something like that? You know what I mean? I think we could do a little cooler name, but all in all, the features and the function. Oh, is that we have a flashlight in there? What is that? I'll have to check out the instructions. I see this little bulb in there that looks very much like a light. I'm sure if I figure out how it works, I'll blind myself. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, okay, they've been up in their game. That's a double click. Double click. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. All right, I love these built-in cables because you know how it is. You're always dragging your cable around. You lose it. It snaps in here to the side. You just bring it in. Boop. It just like acts as a little carrying handle. I don't know if I would put that on the side of a backpack or anything, but to keep it in hand, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. You've got the input and the output, so I think you can charge it with this cable as well. It looks like you can charge it from this other USB-C port as well. And then you've also got another output. I mean, 10,000 milliamp, this thing fits nicely in the palm of my hand. It's a nice, thin, smooth little profile here. And I can say for certain, using these now for a couple of months, they are just reliable, consistent. Power delivery is on point. My wife, my kids, my mom, myself, we've all been using them, and they're fantastic, and I cannot recommend it more. I'm gonna do some testing. We'll see how long it takes to charge it up, and how long it would take to charge some of your favorite devices. But 45 watts is pretty darn good. Large power blocks, they often are 15 and 30 watts, so this should be average awesomeness for your typical smartphone. I've got an iPhone 16 Pro, nothing crazy, but I can tell you right now, this is the kind of power bank you want to keep on hand. Put it in your backpack, pop it in your purse, take it where you need to be when you're traveling and you're going back and forth to school and work. I'm a nurse. I use a power bank somewhere near the end of almost every shift, and it's always INIU. They've always been reliable for me, and I just love their design. I love the way they work, and got nothing bad to say about them. As a regular user, I can recommend these with wholeheartedness, and I'm very happy to have my hands on the P41L, and I think you would be too.
So as you can see here, that 45 watt output, it really shines here. Now, whether you're trying to top off the new iPhone 17 in about an hour and a half, or giving your brand new MacBook Neo a significant boost, almost completely full on the go, this P41L, it really punches above its weight class for such a competent and sleek little power bank. Now, keep in mind, to get these speeds to recharge this power bank, you're going to want to use a solid 45 watt wall charger. So, using a high-speed brick and a quality e-marker cable, like a nice quality cable, not something from the dollar store. You want to get a nice cable. You're going to be back to that full 10,000 milliamps in under 2 hours. Rather than waiting all day on a standard USB plug, you got to make sure to use quality equipment to get quality results. At the end of the day, the INIU P41L, it does exactly what a modern power bank should do. It gives you high-end speed without the high-end bulk. Having 45 watts and a 10K capacity, it's a game changer for anyone rocking the new 2026 flagship gear. With this portability, it's an easy win. It's a rock-solid, professional-grade choice for your everyday carry. Don't forget, you can save 20% on your own order by using code MWTESTZONE20 at checkout and clicking those links down below. Thanks for watching the latest review on MWTestzone. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more weekly tech and 3D printing content. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.